Welcome to English in a Minute. If you have heard American English, maybe you have heard this phrase.
Apple of one's eye.
Apples and eyes. It has to do with love. Listen.
Jack is a great dad. He's so attached to his daughter, he would do anything for her.
Wow, you're right about that. She sure is the apple of his eye.
Apple of his eye means a person or thing is precious or loved deeply. The center of one's eye, the pupil, is dark and round. This phrase comes from long ago when people believed that the eye's pupil was solid and shaped like an apple. And of course, the pupil was precious because you can't see without it. And that's English in a Minute.